If you are new to this channel, I've got more videos about this car in a Lexus playlist. You can check it out. And please support me by subscribing to the channel. More helpful and useful videos coming soon. Thank you guys. To change spark plugs on Lexus ES300 hybrid, first you're gonna need to remove this sensor. Press on this bit. Then you're gonna need 8mm socket and unscrew this bit, and then simply take coil out. Okay, now we're gonna need 14mm socket and long extension. And now we're gonna screw it out. Because it's deep inside, I'm going to use this magnet to take it out. Oh, here we go. Old one is still quite good, but Lexus recommend to change every 60,000. I do recommend as well because it was easy to remove it. Hand tighten as much as you can. Tighten to 20 Newton meters. Don't over tight. Okay, just one click. Coil back. Good and tight. Don't over tight. Put the sensor back until it clicks. Up. Thank you for watching, and until next time.